So I'm going to the Tractor Supply. Ooh, somebody come get me. Oh, Lord, have mercy. But I'm going to see what they got, whether it's on sale or not. I came here to get a few things. Okay? So stay tuned to the video, and you'll see what I get. Baby, they want $6. $6 for this? Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Why does it cost so much? We won't be getting that. Y'all, $6 for a start. And they have watermelon for $4.98. Okay, stay tuned. I'll be back. I'm just showing you what this looked like. As I was entering the building, I'm like, girl, you need a basket. Go get you a basket. So, after I got my basket, I looked to the right once the door opened, and look what I saw. Right here in the front was potato starts, onion starts, garlic starts, asparagus, all of the things, okay? This is what I came here for, or one of the things, okay? This water hose sprout with an extension, and it was only $14.99, dated for this video, which was April the 5th, 2026. Then I went and I saw all of these seeds that Tractor Supply offers. I didn't buy any seeds this time because I have a lot of seeds, but I'm going to go back and just get some of the seeds just so I can have some to stock up on, just in case the ones that I previously owned do not germinate, because I think seeds do expire. So I'm in zone 8B, 9A, and these are the things that are in my local Tractor Supply. I found this bed interesting, the fence, the garden fence. I had never seen that before. And then they also sell raised beds, but not for that price, baby. And look at this. Okay, I was like, yes, honey, but not for $200. Yeah, no. But I did play on it. Cock-a-doodle-doo. So anytime that I am in either Tractor Supply or any gardening center, I just go and I look and compare the pricing just to see what they have. And if it's something that catches my eye that I feel is necessary, I'll purchase it. Okay. So these barrel planters were $24.99. I thought that was a good price, even though other places have them cheaper. So here I am, just going down the aisle looking for a gardening cultivator. I believe that's how you say it. Well, it was on the back wall back here hiding. So this is the one that I picked up and placed it in my basket. Yes. And then after finding this for $24.99 as of April the 5th, 2026, I don't know if I'm going to use this. I bought it just in case because I do need to till or lift up the dirt that is in my garden from last year. Then I found out I could play in the store. I'm coming to get you. Are you scared or what? Don't be scared, because I could barely push this thing. So somebody could hit me upside my head, baby, and I'll still be trying to push it down. So anywho, but I might just knock you out with it or something, but I won't be able to cut you. Okay, so then I went to see the chickens. Come with me to see the chickens, the little chicks. They were making so much noise, okay? And I just love the sound. Eventually, I'm going to get me some chickens. I'm just not ready yet. I need to build me a fence or something to keep them in the yard until, I get a bigger yard. Yeah, that's the goal. So just keep that in mind. Then it was time to check out. So these are all the things that I put in my basket. One of those. Then it was time to utilize the water hose extender that I bought from Tractor Supply today. I actually like it, but I really think I need one longer to reach further while I'm watering. So I'm going to look into that. And then I also want one where the head swivels. But any rate, I'm just watering my plants and doing the things that I need to do. Thanks for watching Just Rachel Gardening Channel. Have a good day.